Remember this. We are all dispensable in our workplace. No matter how you think, how much you have contributed to your organization, to your company, remember that you are not the employer, you are an employee. You are still dispensable. Kahit na magkasakit ka, ma-hospital ka, magpapatuloy po ang organization. Your company will continue, so you better take care of yourself. Kailangan mong alagaan ang sarili mo. Sleep when you have time to sleep and work when you need to work. My advice is this: do not die for your job. Enjoy your job when you are there. And when you are there, do your best. Do wonders, be magical, be present. But while you are present at work, make sure that you are taking care of yourself and you are not absent in your family, in your relationships, and on what matters more in life than just working.